the cylinder head in the reverse order of removal. But be sure to check the procedure in the shop manual. Always replace the parts that are required to do so. Check the shape of the head gasket in detail. Handle the head gasket with special care, because the head gasket is vulnerable to deformation. A deformed head gasket may cause liquid leakages after assembling is completed. It's also important to handle the mating surfaces of the component, which are finely machined with special care. Avoid letting foreign substances adhere the component, as well as avoiding deforming or damaging the surfaces. These may also cause the future leakage